Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable sleeping tabs to fix high memory usage and save battery on Microsoft Edge. On Microsoft Edge, sleeping tabs is an nifty feature designed to save system resources such as memory and processor. When you enable the features, open tabs will enter into a sleep mode after an activity to free up resources to improve system performance and battery life. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-open ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. So open lang natin to. And then dito lang sa taas, makita mo dito yung tatlong dot dito sa right side. So click lang natin yan. And then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung system and performance. And then dito sa system and performance, so kailangan mo lang select yung optimize performance. So scroll down lang tayo. And then kung paano ba natin i-enable yung sleeping tabs, makikita mo dito yung save resources with the sleeping tabs. At yung button nito dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on. So turn on lang natin. Ayan. So kapag naka-turn on ito, so inactive tabs will go to sleep after a specified time to save system resources. So ganun din dito sa kanyang paid sleeping tabs mga kaibigan para makasave tayo ng memory and CPU to improve performance. So pwede ka naman maglagay dito ng specified amount of time mga kaibigan. So click mo lang itong araw na to. And then select ka lang dito kung anong option mo dyan, kung ilang seconds, minutes, and hour mga kaibigan. Alright? And then pwede ka naman mag-add dito ng sites kung gusto mo itong i-optimize. So click mo lang itong add. And then kailangan mo lang ilagay dito yung kanyang website link. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba natin enable yung sleeping tabs dito sa Microsoft Edge web browsers. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman at kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys and see you at my next vlogs.